Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to show you everything that I made from Sam's bead box for February 2022, Dawn and Dusk. I got so much use out of this box. I think Sam's sister Rachel that picked these out and helped him. It just, wow, did a great job. So I'm so excited. I did something different than I normally do with my my stuff. So let me see here. I'm going to start with this necklace. This is, okay, so this is my first necklace. Let me move that out. So what I did, I have the wire inside. So this drapes down here. I did use maybe just a few of my seed beads, the copper, and then these blue ones, colored ones. But this, and I did use my lobster clasp. But so this is it. I'd say 95% of this is Sam's bead box. I did this, and then there's two wires going through each one. I used really fine wire. I used it up, I threw it away, so I can't tell you what size it was. And then I draped it down in through here, and then I put it into 4. So, and then I made these little ends for each one of them. I love the way this turned out. Let me kind of wrap it so you could see the whole thing. So it's just kind of like, just really pretty. I had a lot of fun with this box. I love just coming into my bead room and just designing, and I don't really know what I'm gonna do when I start it out. And then I just kind of start working with it. Before I know it, it turns out the way it does. I will put everything on busts and have pictures of everything afterwards. So this is the first one. And then, let me see here. I have to show you this one because this one's absolutely gorgeous. This is a bracelet, earring, and the necklace set. So this is the necklace. I'm trying to kind of get it all. It's better when it's on the bust. It's kind of hard to show you just in this little bit. But that, and then I have it draped in, so I take the 3 and put them into 1 right here at the bottom. And then I used the toggle clasp, and then I made these dangling off the toggle clasp. I thought these turned out really pretty. So, yeah, love the way this one turned out. So here, I'll kind of just to kind of show you this one. And yeah, this is like 95% Sam's bead box. Just a couple of my, these little copper ones, these copper ones, a few of these rolled gold hematite spacers, which I love. I use these a lot in a lot of my work, and a couple of these silver ones. But 95% of this was Sam's bead box. So we have this necklace, and then I have this bracelet that I made, and then I have, show you, I put a little 2-inch extender chain on it with these little things from a couple months ago in the bead box, just so that it's, you know, got, depending on the size of your wrist, you can wear this no matter what size your wrist is. So I made this. It wraps around the wrist 3 times. And then these are the earrings. Oh, wait, let me get them. So I have them, so yes, there you go. So I love the way this set turned out. I was really happy. This is like the main thing that I made from it. Yeah, so I have the necklace, and then the bracelet, and then the earrings. So let me put these aside. I have these hanging up on a bust. Yeah, I went outside today and took some pictures while the sun was shining. Yeah, I loved this mixture of beads. So I think this turned out really pretty. So I got that one and the bracelet. And now come the earrings. So let me see. So I have these earrings. These are another pair. I love that little bird that's on there. So, and then I used antique bronze for these ear wires. I made those. Let me see. Then I made, make sure these are all right. Okay. I made these, if you could see them. These, I love the way these turned out too. And they're all very lightweight. And then the next pair is this. These are just head pins, and I put a loop on the bottom and I just doubled them up. Love these. And then I still have beads left too. I can't believe I got so much use. I mean, I made so much out of this month's box. Let me move these up here a little bit. And then I got these. These are dangly earrings, so they don't lay as well as they should. But I have them, you know, set on the ear wire so that they can lay with the flower in the front. These are just 2 head pins, and then I did the flower connector for them. So yes, I love the way these turned out. And then this, these I just made a little bit ago before I filmed this video. I was in the middle of working on them and my daughter came over. Let me get the wire out to show you what I use. So I have this wire, the Soft Flex Medium, in these 2 colors. And I haven't used it yet. And I thought, well, you know what, I'm gonna try something different this time. So let me get out these. So I started out, I made these, and what I did was I put the clasp up at the top. Let me fix that. I put the clasp up at the top, but I let the wire show because, you know, having this colored wire is kind of cool. So they're very lightweight too, which is nice. I loved these. These were so pretty. So I've got those. And then, let me see here, let me fix these. Like I had said in my last video, I have a market coming up. So I've been making a lot of earrings because earrings are really great for markets. Then I have these right here. So, and I use the yellow for these, and I let the wire kind of show through here. I just thought these turned out really pretty, and they're so nice and light. They're kind of like boho earrings, but they're not heavy, you know. They're going to weigh down the earring, the earlobe. And then I have, let me see, let me fix these. Then I have these. Get my other one. I have so much on my desk here, my little table here. So then I have these, and I use the green for these. I thought these turned out really cool. These are just like nice, they kind of are like fun summer ones. You know, you can wear them to the beach, you can wear them while you're out, you know, a little sundress and some sunglasses, and these can kind of be a statement piece for you. So I think that's all I made. Yeah. So yeah, that's all I made. So I have all of this, and I need to tell Rachel from Sam's Bead Box, she did a fabulous job, absolutely fabulous job with picking out these beads this month, and keep it coming. It was totally worth that money and getting it, and I love subscribing to it. I absolutely love it. So, so thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you like this and if you'd like to see any other types of videos. I also have my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Etsy links below. So if you're interested in following me on any of them, you can follow me below there. I am going to put the two necklaces and this one necklace and then the whole necklace, earring, and bracelet set up on my Etsy store. But the rest of them, I think I'm just going to save for the market in the middle of March and see. And if there's any left over, then I'll probably put them up on my Etsy store after that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon on my next video. Have a great day.